Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fajar Hidayatullah from the Marketing Management Associate degree. I'm here to present my final project called Analysis Social Media Advertising Value on Rockzone in 2021. Object of research is Roxxon, the industry fashion retail brand, the location from at Paledang Street, Bandung City, West Java, type of product, t-shirt, shirt, jacket, pants, bag, etc. Marketing channel is Instagram, social media, sales channel is website and Shopee. The background of research is the changing time from traditional to modern time is phenomenon that occurs due to the development in various aspects of life, one of which is the development of technology that brings the internet. This is the graphic of projection data of internet user in Indonesia 2017 until 2023. We can see the graphic is increased per year. Source from Katadata 2019. The background of the research is social media development. The number of internet users in Indonesia is very high. Indonesia's hike has opened up public insight into the existence of social media. We can see the most used social media platform is the number one is YouTube with 90.8 million internet user. Number two is WhatsApp is 87.7%, and number three is Instagram with 86 with 0.6%. Instagram is the top three most used social media platform. There, there's a difference from YouTube and Instagram is the YouTube is the dominant online video sharing platform, but Instagram is not. Remotely, the dominant photo sharing platform on mobile. Social media advertising. Online advertising spread across a number of social media has become a prospective industry in line with the development of the global economic order. The performance of online advertising in recent years, on the one hand, has also increased. In fact, it is undeniable that access to online advertising on social media is now becoming more widespread, surpassing print media advertisement, including daily newspaper, according to Tasrudin 2017. Instagram plays an important role in growing a new advertising ecosystem. We can see the leading countries based on number Instagram user as January 2019. We can see the first is United States with 100 with 20 million user. The second one is India with user 75 million user. Brazil with 69 million user, and the fourth is Indonesia with 62 million monthly user. The Instagram feature is photo and video content manager. The second one is direct message. We can socialize with the new potential customer in direct message. The third, the last is Instagram business. We can shopping in Instagram and post the advertisement in Instagram. The Instagram user in Indonesia. We can see the Instagram according in January 2020, Instagram user in Indonesia had 62 million user. with a percentage of 51 being 51% being women and 49% being men. This make the social media Instagram with various feature in it over many advantages for company and marketers by making it easy to reach market on a very large scale. Instagram as a marketing channel. Roxanne is a local fashion brand that utilizes social media, especially Instagram, as one of its marketing channel with various objectives such as brand awareness, providing information and interacting with the audience as well as selling their product. The reason why researchers are interested in researching social media advertising conducted by Roxxon is because Roxxon is a fashion brand that has very large potential customer in Indonesia because it offers clothing product which are the main need the whole community. So more attention is needed on Instagram advertisement that are carried out by Roxxon. This is the example from content of Rockzone, and this is the example from Rockzone Instagram advertisement. The overall use of social media advertising by Rockzone needs to be investigated further so that Rockzone management can continue the develop in the creation and delivery of visual content through Instagram social media account with the aim of conveying and maximizing product information to customer. The result of this research are expected to be able to help Roxon management in knowing what are the advertising aspect that Roxon does, how social media advertising value has been implemented by Roxon, and to develop content that will be broadcast on Roxon's Instagram social media in the future. The formulation of the problem is number one is what is credibility of Roxanne advertising according to consumer. Number two, how informative is Roxanne advertisement according to consumer. Number three, how about Roxanne advertising entertainment content according to consumer. Number four, how does social media advertising in Roxanne? Objective of the study number one, to find out the credibility of social media advertising value at Roxon. Number two, to find out the informativeness of social media advertising value advertisement at Roxon. Number three, to find out the entertainment of social media advertising value at Roxon. Number four, to find out the social media advertising value at Roxon. The conceptual framework. In this research, there is a dependent variable, namely the influence of social media advertising on brand as the dependent variable. The brand that will be investigated in this research as the dependent variable is Roxon. Based on the result of the previous research, there are several alternative modes that can be used to determine the value of social media on brand as dependent variable. One of the previous studies that raised the influence of social media value on brand is the framework of Dow from the International Journal from Hamoda, entitled Understanding Social Media Advertising Effect on Consumer Response. Source Hamoda 2018. The reason why the researcher raised the frame of mind from the journal is because the object being studied is a brand that does advertising through social media, namely Instagram advertising, which is also in accordance with the object in this research, namely Roxxon as a brand whose marketing activities are carried out through social media Instagram with one of its feature, namely Instagram advertisement. Type of research. In this research, the research method used is a quantitative research method. In this research, descriptive analysis is described in a table of respondent responses which are then interpreted in a continuum line. The continuum line is a line that is very useful for measuring, analyzing, and showing the level of strength of the variable studied, according to Sugiono 2017. Researchers use a 5-point Likert scale measuring model. The Likert scale is used in measuring attitude, opinion, and perception of individual or group regarding a phenomenon, according to Sugione 2017. The population in this research who are consumers who have seen Roxxon's social media advertisement, and the sample used is 146 respondents. The data analysis technique is quantitative, descriptive analysis, and data collection is questionnaire. Continuum line. In the questionnaire that has been distributed, there are 5 possible answers that must be chosen by the respondent, which are then converted into a continuum line to facilitate grouping the criteria for assessing variable in this study. The first step that must be done in this descriptive analysis according to Kurniawan is number one, to recapitulate the respondent answer data, totaling 146 respondents with the lowest score of 1 and the highest score of 5. Number two, calculate the largest and the smallest cumulative value. The idea cumulative value is 146x 5 equal 730. Smallest cumulative value is 146x 1 equal 146. Calculate the largest and the smallest percentage value. The largest percentage value is 730 730x 100% equal 100%. The smallest percent value 146 straight 730x 100% equal 20%. Calculate the value of percentage difference 100% minus 200% to 20% equal 80%. Percentage range 180% strap for equal 20%. This is we can see in continuum line 20% means very bad, 40% is bad, 60% average, 80% good, and 100% is very good. The respondent characteristic. We can see characteristic respondent based on age is 15 until 24 years old is 82.2%, 25 and 34 years old is 17.8%. Characteristic of respondent based on occupation, the the highest is student with 47.3%. The second is private employees with 18.5%, and the third self-employed with 13%. Characteristic based on education level with high school with 37.7%, associate degree to 28.8%, and bachelor degree 33.6%. The respondent based on Instagram usage is daily with 78.1%, weekly 12.3%, and sometimes 6.6%. Respondent based on Instagram usage per day is more than 1 hour, 83%, 31 until 1 hour, 28.8%, and less than 30 minutes, 8.2%. Characteristic based on gender. Uh, the highest with men with 69.2% and women the 30.8%. Validity test. We can see the variable is credibility, informativeness, and entertainment. The credibility had 6 items with loading factor more than zero point 0.5 and average uh, average variance extract value more than zero point 0.5. We can see the statement above is valid because it has met the loading factor value of zero point 0.5 and the average variance extracted or FVA value of 0. More than zero point 0.5 according to Hare, Hollingsworth, Randolph, and Chong in 2017. Reliability test. You can see the variable is credibility, informativeness, and entertainment is more than value greater than zero point 0.7, which has good consistency because a value greater on than zero point 0.7, while the reliable Cronbach alpha value is indicated by the Cronbach alpha value which is greater than zero point 0.7. The credibility of the ads according to the respondent. We can see the credibility ads had 6 items with 1% is number 2 with the highest with 82.05. Respondent assessment of the advertising credibility variable is very good. This can be seen in the statement of the second item, namely, I believe in the information content has the largest percentage of 82.5%. This means the respondent feel that credibility of the ads on Roxon Instagram is in line with expectation because Roxon creates valid and trustworthy advertising content. We can see this is a continuum line of credibility advertisement, which is very good. Number 2, the next is informativeness. According to respondent, we can see informativeness ads had 4 items with the highest is number 3 with 83.15%. The respondent assessment of the advertising informative is variable is very good. This means that respondent feel the informativeness of the ads on Rockzone Instagram account is in line with expectation. This can be seen in the statement of the third item, namely Roxon ads are easy to understand, which has the largest percentage of 83.15%. This is because Roxon creates advertising information that match what Roxon does. Entertainment advertising according to respondent. You can see the entertainment ads had four item. The respondent assessment of the advertising entertainment is very good. This means that respondent feel that the advertisement entertainment on Roxon Instagram account is in line with expectation. This can be seen with the statement of the first and the second item, namely the ads that Roxon air are interesting and Roxon ads are nice to see, which have the largest percentage of 81.64%. This is because Rongson creates advertising content that spoil the eyes of respondent and copywriting that makes respondent interested in buying Rongson product. Result of social media advertising value according to respondent. The result of social media advertising value are categorized based on advertising credibility, advertising informativeness, and advertising entertainment. The highest social media advertising value is informative with a percentage of 80.55%, credibility of 80.18%, and entertainment with a percentage of 80.3%. Very detailed and complete, starting from information about the product being marketed in the form of product price, fabric use, and the promise over by Roxanne, as well as delivery of advertisement that are easily understood the audience. Then there the at credibility, which according to respondent have high trust in advertising content on Instagram. Conclusion: the credibility of the advertisement based on the result, the credibility of the advertisement according to respond had very good with a percentage 80.18%. Respondents have high trust in Roxon advertising content on Instagram. The informativeness of the advertisement. Based on result, the informativeness of the advertisement according to the respondent is very good with a percentage of 80.58% can be seen from the percentage respondent have satisfaction in information and ability to deliver Roxon ads on Instagram. The number three, the entertainment of the advertisement based on the result of advertisement entertainment according to respondent it is very good with a percentage of 80.03%. Can be seen from the percentage respondent have confidence in viewing Roxon ad content on Instagram. The last one is social media advertising value. Based on the result obtained that social media advertising value has a positive and significant influence on its advertising content on Instagram Roxon, which can be seen from the percentage of advertising informativeness with 80.85 58%, advertising credibility with 80.18%, and advertising entertainment with 80.3%. This show that content rock zone ads on Instagram are very good because respondents have satisfaction in very detailed information and delivery of rock zone. Respondent high trust in the advertisement and respondent confidence to rock zone advertising content on Instagram. The suggest given by research for rock zone are as follow. Number one, to improve the quality of more optimal ad value, especially in visual and copywriting content that will be shown via Instagram, namely in the entertainment aspect of the advertisement, so that audience who see Roxon ads impression through Instagram can influence consumers both on advertisement and the Roxon brand in the future. Thanks for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.